At the end of the previous video, I posed the question, what happens if you put a ferrite ring, a ferrite clamp on, over a piece of coax? We know that if you put a ferrite ring on coax, it affects the inductance of both the outer and the inner. But does it affect the signal going through the coax? Theory says no. So let's test that. Here is a nano VNA set up to scan from 50 megahertz to 900 megahertz, and it's looped through to itself. You can see the signal is pretty flat across the whole of the band. And here's a ferrite ring, a clamp on ferrite, which I shall clamp on. Well, I shall attempt to clamp on, because these things are... I have clamped the ferrite on, and it's made absolutely no difference at all. I shall try and get it off without disturbing it. No, you know what? I'll just add another one instead. Keep an eye on that top line. Well, as you can see, it's made no difference. And that's pretty much what the theory says. So we've killed stuff that's going down the outside of the coax, but we haven't affected the signal going down the inside of the coax.